Hello, Mr. Sean Victor Bradley, the sequel. How you doing today?
Good.
Yeah? Okay, so the girls are going to go get their hair done and their nails done, right?
Yeah.
So what are me and you going to do?
Watch a movie?
Yeah, we're going to watch the new Batman movie, the new Batman cartoon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's got the female Robin. It's a girl Robin.
Wait, is it was Two-Face?
I don't know. We're going to have to watch it and see. It's brand new.
Wait, is it part 2?
I don't know.
Wait, did we saw the part 1 or part 2?
I don't know.
I think we saw the part 1.
How much do you like Batman? What?
If it's with the guy that has the sharp teeth, that's the one was part 1.
Okay.
Cause it's the one that we watched.
What's your favorite superhero?
I got 3 favorite superheroes.
Which ones?
I mean 4.
Which ones?
Superman, Green Lantern, and Batman and Flash.
Okay, but who's the best? Batman, right?
Yeah, all of them are the best.
But
Except for Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman's not cool?
No, because she's the one that is weird.
She's weird?
Yeah, because she doesn't have any clothes on.
Yeah, so she... And what about that rope? What's up with her magic rope? Like, who cares about that? That's not really super, is it?
No. Just grab people. Did you know Catwoman has a rope and she kisses people and they die?
She does what with people?
She throws a rope. Catwoman throws a rope, and Catwoman kisses the people.
Catch the people? She catches the people?
No, kisses.
She kisses them.
Didn't they?
Ew! Say ew.
Ew! Didn't they die?
Oh, because of her kisses?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. All right, so tell me, what do you like about Flash the most?
He goes fast.
Yeah?
And he throws himself. You know what his boomerang is? Himself.
Really?
Yeah. The red thing, he goes fast up there, then he comes right back down.
All right, so now what do you like about Superman?
About he can freeze and blow. Blow is for him to freeze and laser.
His eyes are lasers?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, who else do you like? You said...
Green Lantern.
Why do you like Green Lantern?
Because he can make green stuff.
He can make anything with this green ring, right?
Yeah. He can like boom, boom, boom with his hammer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, now tell me why you like Batman.
Because he can fly. Can I tell you about Batman?
Yeah.
Like a video on a game of it?
Yeah.
Superman was holding Batman's cape, and he flinged it, and Batman's arm was like this, and Batman's wing was left and right, and Superman put him in the air while Superman was flying, and he said, and he was flying, and he said, "Not cool."
He said not cool?
Yeah.
That is really, 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 really funny.
To Superman.
Mm-hmm. I think Batman is the absolute bestest superhero ever. Ever, ever, ever.
I think except for the girl one.
Which one?
The Wonder Woman?
Well, yeah, she's not cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Wonder Woman's boring.
Yeah.
You know what ruined it for me with Wonder Woman? Because Kim Kardashian dressed as Wonder Woman one day, and
Wait, Dad, did you know Green Lantern can make stuff in a game?
Yeah.
But he can make his own stuff on a movie.
Really?
Yeah, but
Okay, let's see how much you really know. What's Green Lantern's real name? Quick.
Helen Jordan.
Hal Jordan. Yes, that's right. Okay, good. Okay, what is Batman's real name? Quick.
Bruce Wayne.
Bruce Wayne. Okay, wow. And you're only 4 years old. You know all this stuff. Okay, here's a tough one. What is Superman's real name? Is it Clark Kent?
No.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is. Yeah, it's Clark Kent. Okay. Do you know who? What's Catwoman's real name?
Savina.
Selena. Yes. Oh my gosh, how did you remember that?
Because I saw it on a movie.
Yes, Selena Kyle. That's absolutely right. Okay. Well, listen. Say goodbye to people on YouTube. Say bye, YouTube.
I say Flash.
What's Flash's real name? Fast? Yeah, I don't even know Flash's real name. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, food. Can we figure out when we do this